Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Title: Understanding Encoding Errors in Python and warnings.formatwarning. In Python, encoding errors can be encountered when working with text data and manipulating strings. These errors often manifest themselves as UnicodeDecodeError or UnicodeEncodeError, and they can be quite perplexing for beginners. This tutorial aims to explain why you might encounter encoding errors and how they relate to warnings.formatwarning. We'll also provide code examples to illustrate these concepts. Encoding errors typically occur when you try to read or write text data, and the data contains characters that cannot be represented in the chosen encoding. Encoding is the process of converting text from a human-readable format, example characters, to a machine-readable format, bytes. Python 3 uses Unicode for text, which means that you can work with a wide range of characters from different languages. However, to store or transmit text, it needs to be encoded into bytes, and decoding it back to characters can cause issues if the encoding is not properly specified or detected. One common situation where encoding errors occur is when reading from or writing to files. If you don't specify the encoding explicitly, Python will use the default system encoding, which can cause problems when dealing with text that uses a different character set. Warnings.formatwarning is a function used to customize the format of warning messages in Python. When Python encounters an issue that generates a warning, such as a deprecation warning, it uses warnings.formatwarning to format and display the warning message. Encoding errors can be related to warnings.formatwarning when the warning message itself contains text that cannot be properly encoded. In this case, you may see encoding errors when Python attempts to display the warning message. To handle this, you can customize the warnings.formatwarning function to ensure that the warning message can be correctly encoded. Let's consider an example where encoding errors can be related to warnings.formatwarning. We will create a situation where Python generates a warning message that contains text with special characters. By customizing the warnings.formatwarning function, we can prevent encoding errors from occurring. In this example, we define a custom format warning function that simplifies the warning message. By using this custom function, we ensure that any text, including special characters like E, will be correctly handled during the warning message formatting. By customizing the warnings.formatwarning function as shown above, you can mitigate potential encoding errors related to warning messages in your Python code. Encoding errors in Python often occur when working with text data, especially during file operations, and they can also be related to the formatting of warning messages. To handle encoding errors in warnings, you can customize the warnings.formatwarning function to ensure that warning messages are correctly encoded and displayed. Understanding how encoding errors happen and how to address them is essential for working effectively with text data in Python. ChatGPT